Hi, my name is Michael Mack, and for the next 3 minutes, we're going to talk about credit card debt settlement, one of my favorite topics. First, let's define what is debt settlement or credit card debt settlement. Credit card debt settlement can be a very effective way to avoid bankruptcy. It's where we get the credit card company to agree to forgive most of your debt. The problem is credit card debt settlement often doesn't work, typically because the one that is negotiating on your behalf doesn't know what they're doing. If you go to the internet, there are hundreds, if not thousands, of so-called debt settlement companies. And if you call them, they'll tell you that they have a license. They'll tell you that they have special training. And for lack of a better word, that's really a joke. Look them up. Most of them have F ratings with the Better Business Bureau. Most of them have been sued by the government at one time or another. They're bad news typically. They can't protect your legal rights.